I want to show you a little bit about the Google Photos feature called stickers. Now, if you use iPhone photos, the Apple photos, or the Samsung Gallery photos, you may already be familiar with stickers. They work a little bit different, but now they are available on Google Photos. You just touch and hold, an outline will appear, and you tap Copy Sticker. And then they are all gathered in a collection in Google Photos. Let me show you this. First, I'm going to show you how to make a sticker, and then I'm going to show you just one example of maybe how to use a sticker. So on the iPhone, we are talking about Google Photos here, not Apple Photos, the Google Photos app. I have a picture of our ship, and I would like to make that ship a sticker. Here is a picture of our ship, and it's a good example for a sticker because the subject, notice how it's starting to shimmer already without my doing anything. It had a little outline shimmer around it. All I have to do is touch lightly on the boat and it kind of pops up, and you see the shimmer? It needs to be a nice clear object, the main object of your photo, for this to work. But if the shimmer goes around what you want, you're good. Copy sticker. Now, where has that gone? Right away, it says view stickers. But what happens when that goes away? Well, it's in your collections. And collections on the iPhone, if you go back to the beginning of Google Photos, collections is that little button in the middle, and stickers is one of the collections. So there is the sticker of the ship I just took. Notice that other stickers, I have a sticker of the Philippines flag, I have a sticker of Jim, I have a sticker of me. So you can collect lots of stickers. Now I want to show you the same thing on the Android. Google Photos and find the picture. Well, here's another picture of the ship, but there's all sorts of stuff on this image, so I'm not sure. Let me try it. Touch and hold, copy sticker. Let's see. I'm not sure what got copied there, so this is not as clean a photo. But let's see, in collections and stickers, no, it got the whole thing. So that's no good. I'm going to tap on that sticker and delete it. Here is that same picture where I got the sticker on the iPhone. Here is the ship. If I just open the photo, touch and hold lightly on the ship, it says copy sticker, and notice the highlight that's running around it. That should be good. Copy sticker. And it's been copied. All right, now what can you do with these stickers? Well, it's actually pretty limited. You can copy them and you can paste them into other applications. You cannot, like you can in Apple and in Samsung Gallery, paste them onto another photo. That might be coming, I don't know. But meanwhile, I have this slide. I have already been preparing a slide in Google Slides with a map. So let's say I would like that sticker of the ship to be in the map, right where we are. We are in between Philippines and Singapore right now. So let's paste. I have to edit the slide. Oh, here's another issue with the stickers. This is only available on the mobile app. So this is tricky to do on the phone to manipulate a Google slide, but it's only available on the mobile. So you cannot do this on the computer. I have to figure out how to, now I can paste there. So now I have pasted the sticker of the ship onto the slide, and then I can resize it and move it around. What do you think?
It looks like it's sinking.
Oh, well, we don't want that, do we? So There. How's that? Move it up a little bit. Anyway, you get the idea. That is what a sticker can do. You can copy an image out of a photo using Google Photos, and then you can paste it somewhere else. And all of your stickers are collected in your Google Photos collections under stickers.